Sweat. And I should put my goggles on too. And this is limestone. And this is, what do you think this is?
Chalk.
Chalk. And then we'll use these rocks too, and we'll see which ones react and which ones don't. So let's try it.
Henry, you know what a reaction is?
It means something's going to happen. Either there's going to be bubbles, or it's going to change colors, or it's going to make a solid, or it's going to, what's the other reaction? Color change, bubbles, a solid.
What else, Henry?
I'm trying to think of the fourth one. It's not coming to me, so let's just try it. Now you take this and you're just going to squeeze a couple of drops of this onto there. And let's see what happens.
You do that.
You got enough. Now squeeze it. Now let's see. Do you see anything happening? What's happening? You see anything? We don't want to touch it because it's got acid.
Don't touch the acid.
Let's try this one. Let's see what happens. Oh, now we gotta put that in, put it in there, and when it's in there, squeeze it. Squeeze the top.
Yeah, squeeze it, Henry.
Squeeze this. Okay, now you got some. See how you got some? Whoa!
What happened? Why did that happen, Henry?
You see that? Is that sweating? Is that making you sweat? They do make you sweat. Let's try this one. You gotta squeeze it. That's right. Catches on fast. Nothing, huh?
Nothing on that one?
Nothing on that one. What do you think a piece of chalk's gonna do? What do you think a piece of chalk is gonna do?
Put some acid on the chalk, Henry. No, put it down on the plastic first. Put the chalk.
He's ready to start holding it. What's the chalk doing?
Is it eating it?
Oh, the chalk is doing what? It's giving off what?
It's a reaction, Henry.
We should get Millard Berry in here to take some pictures of this. That's so... The acid is reacting with these have what we call bases in there. You know where else there's acid? In your tummy. Did you ever have a tummy ache? And you had to take a Tums or something? Did you ever have a tummy ache?
Yeah.
Yeah.